So good morning everyone. My name is Chineva T. Agot, your reporter for this morning. So my topic is all about introduction to basic AC concepts. So what is alternating current? So alternating current is an electric current which periodically reverses direction, in contrast to direct current or DC, which always flows in only one direction. The voltage in AC circuits is periodically reverses polarity. So, we all know naman, di ba, what is the alternating current and DC. So, we have here a K waveform characteristics. So, first we have waveform. So, the shape of the AC signals over time, the most common is the sine wave, which smallly varies between positive and negative peaks. So, for example, when you plug in an electric fan, so sa outlet, then the electricity flowing through it flows a sine wave. So, ang current is naginahinay siya pataas to positive, and then down na po siya pabalik to zero, padong na po siya sa negative. Like gana bita siya sine wave, gana masya gabalik-balik lang siya ba, like taas positive down to negative sign. Second, amplitude peak value. So this is the maximum value of voltage or current reached during one cycle. It tells you how strong the signal gets at its highest point. For voltage, it's V peak for Vp. So, for example, if your electric fan powered by an AC voltage that reaches 230 volts at its peak, kana nga volts mao na ang amplitude or V peak. So nagpasabot nga mao na ang pinakakusog nga current nga mindagan sa matag cycle sa fan. So next is period or T, the time it takes for one complete cycle of the waveform to occur. It's measured in seconds. Think of it as the duration of one full up and down swing. For example, if your household AC power has a frequency of 60 Hz, then the period is 1 over 60 seconds or about 0.0167 seconds. So nagpasabot ni siya nga in every 0.0167 diri nimo siya makita nga ma-count siya, and ganina sa akong gibasa is nagdi is 1 over 60 seconds. So pabalik na pud ani is moadto na pa siya sa 2 over 60 seconds. So balik-balik lang siya, gatuyok lang gihapon siya ang iyang sa iyang time. So next we have frequency or F, the number of complete cycle that occur in 1 second. It's the inverse of period, or F equal 1 over time, and it's measured in hertz. So for example, household AC mini regions is 60 hertz, meaning it completes 60 cycle per second. So tagatuyok sa cycle sa AC is dito makomplete ang 60 per seconds. Dito siya na kuan para makompleto ay nig motuyok siya, gatuyok man ginang sa kuan. So dito naman siya So next is phase. Describe the position of a waveform in time relative to another waveform for a reference point. If two waves are in phase, their peaks and through a line. If they are out of phase, they are shifted relative to each other. So for example, you have two electric fans plugged into the same power source. If their blades spin in perfect sync, their waveforms are in phase. So nagmatch silang duha, same sila og tuyok. So if ang isa is mauna og tuyok, then ang isa is malangan siya, mabihain siya ba, malangan siya gamay og tuyok, mao na siya ang gitawag og out of phase. Next, we have RMS value, the effective AC. So RMS stands for root mean square. It is the effective value of an AC voltage or current, meaning it's the equivalent DC value that would produce the same amount of heat in a resistive load. For example, kung ang inyong saksakanan sa inyong balay naghatag og 220 volts RMS, it means that an electric iron using 230 volts AC will generate the same heat as it will be if powered by 220 volts DC. Next, we have relationship to peak for a sine wave, or VRMS equals V peak. So example is if V peak equals 100 volts, then VRMS equals 100 times 0.707 equals 70.7 volts. Example, so next example is if VRMS equals 200 volts, then the V peak is equals 220 times 1.414 equals to 311 volts. So, moro to siya. Thank you.